You have just passed school and have taken baby steps into this new phase of life called college. Now, all of you have heard about college from your siblings, cousins, or parents. It is depicted very often in movies as well. For example, Three Idiots must have created a vivid image of college in your minds. Indeed, college life is one of the most exciting adventures of your life, no doubt. I can tell you from my experience that it is a very different experience than you had currently. It is an experience unique to each and every one of us. Now, I'm not here to give you advices or cliched lecture of what you should or you should not do in college. But I'll give you a small glimpse of my college life in the past 6 years and then share few observations which I've made. My journey began at the very same place where all of you are sitting currently. I liked computer science in my school days, but I decided to pursue electronics while in junior college. It was an experiment. It was going out of my comfort zone, a decision which I had taken. Luckily, I liked it, and with the teaching of Meenu ma'am during our junior college days, I really liked electronics a lot. Then we had this Somaya Peace Fest in December 2010, where me and my friends, we had made a very simple project on piezoelectricity, and we had showcased how a small project can harness electricity and help the society. Luckily, fortunately, we could win the first prize, and it gave me a lot of confidence boost to pursue further and delve deeper into electronics. So post junior college, I got into VJTI, and although I was getting into almost all the branches, I decided to take up electronics. So I am doing I just completed doing EXTC at VJTI. While there, again, I stepped out of my comfort zone. I participated in various activities while at VJTI. I was the general secretary in my college. I took part in activities both co-curricular and extracurricular. And since I'm inclined more towards technical topics, I've decided to pursue masters in USA. So this was my experience. Now there are few 6 points precisely, which I would like to bring to your notice, which I feel will help you in your journey. Number one, with freedom comes responsibility. In school, all of us are in the protected umbrella of parents and teachers. But here, as one of my friends said, there is no spoon feeding here. There is no restrictions here. You are on your own. You have to decide what to do and what not to. Understand what is good for you and what is not. Second, you will be known by the company you keep.
Exactly.
Your peer group in college days right from now will decide a lot about your future. You will meet different kinds of people, some with good habits and some with not so good ones. Decide what is important for you and what is not. Your friend circle in the next few years will influence your decision and in turn will decide what you do in the future. Number three, you cannot read more than you can run. Importance of fitness cannot be understated. Looking back, I feel fitness should be given a lot of importance right from 11th and 12th. In school, all of us are very active, but come 11th and 12th, we sit down, we study for 8 hours, 10 hours, CET, JEE, and being science students, we tend to sit up at a place a lot. So I'll urge all of you to take part in some sports activities daily, at least 1 hour every day. And now Somaya has lots of sports activities, yoga and the athletic ground. So I want all of you to continue that. Number four, become tech savvy. Technology has taken an important role in all of our lives. And as sir mentioned in the previous batch, we all have smartphones, but it is upon us to, how smartly do we use those smartphones. So, take up online courses apart from a regular curriculum. There are websites like Coursera and edX which teach you something new. So be curious, just browse through the course, understand where the world is going, and take up these courses. Lastly, I'll say spend time on what you really like. Many of us must have taken science because we liked science and maths in school, or we scored well in science and maths, which is good and which is justified. But I will say each week spend at least half an hour in introspection of what you want to do next, because these 2 3 years are a crossroads in your life. What you decide in 12th will stay with you at least for next 3 4 years. So a stitch in time saves nine. So invest time in what you want to really do, and it will help you get a brighter future. So enjoy your life, enjoy the campus. There are many canteens across the campus. Make sure you don't miss any one of them, and make friends for life. I still meet my college friends every 6 months. He's a sailor in the merchant navy, but whenever he comes back to Mumbai, I make sure I meet him. And I thank all professors for contributing in my journey. It is because of their efforts that I could aspire and achieve the little I have. I thank KJ Somaya College and teachers for this opportunity. It is an honor to be here and address all of you. Thank you. If any of you have doubts, we can take it up post the program. Thank you.